When hunting deer with dogs, there are a number of things to keep in mind in order to ensure a safe and successful hunt. First and foremost, it is important to familiarize yourself with the hunting regulations in your area. Hunting laws vary by state, and it is important to ensure that you are hunting legally. Be sure to check with the local government agency responsible for hunting regulations to find out what is allowed and what is not. This could include rules on hunting seasons, bag limits, and specific areas where hunting is allowed. Next, make sure your dogs are properly trained and in good physical condition. This will reduce the risk of injury to the dogs and increase the chances of a successful hunt. Training your dogs to track deer by scent and to hold the deer at bay is an essential part of hunting with dogs. You should also make sure that your dogs are up to date on their vaccinations and are healthy enough for the hunt. It is also important to always keep an eye on your dogs and make sure they are not in danger. This may include keeping them on a leash or using a tracking device to monitor their location. Dogs can easily get lost or injured in the wilderness, so it is important to always know where they are. Be prepared for the weather and bring appropriate clothing and equipment. Hunting can be a physically demanding activity and the weather can change quickly, so it is important to be prepared for anything. This could include bringing warm clothing, rain gear, and a waterproof bag to keep your equipment dry. Having a plan in case of emergency is crucial. Make sure you have a first aid kit, basic medical knowledge, and a communication device. In case of injury or lost, it is important to know what to do and to be able to call for help. A fully charged phone and a map would be a good idea as well. Respect the wildlife and their habitat is a must. Take only what you need, and always practice ethical hunting. This means being mindful of the impact that hunting has on the environment and the wildlife that lives there. This could include taking steps to minimize the disturbance of the wildlife, such as using non-toxic ammunition and not leaving behind any trash. Be aware of your surroundings and other hunters is also important. Be sure to wear bright colors and make noise when moving to alert other hunters of your presence. This will help to prevent accidents and ensure that everyone has a safe and enjoyable hunting experience. Lastly, always be respectful of the landowner's property and get permission before hunting on private land. It is important to respect the rights of the landowner and to not hunt without permission. This is not only a legal requirement but also show respect and responsible hunting behavior. In conclusion, hunting deer with dogs is an exciting and challenging activity that requires a great deal of preparation, knowledge, and skill. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a safe and successful hunting experience while also respecting the wildlife in their habitat, other hunters, and the landowner's property. It is important to remember that hunting is a privilege, not a right, and it is our responsibility to ensure that it is done in a responsible and ethical manner.